In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can change the size of one letter at a time in Davinci Resolve. Very easy. So let's go in the Fusion page, and here what we have to do just to grab text. Now here in text, just write something. Now we have to right click here. Excuse me. Just right click here now and select your character label styling. Now you can select one text and then go to modifier, and here now you can just increase the size of one letter. Now you can increase the for the other letter, you can increase the size as well, and you can also decrease the size. And you can also change the color. And I don't know, you can do a lot of stuff now when you add a modifier. You can also transform. So yeah, I hope you found this short tutorial helpful. Thank you so much for watching and take care.